Because this is first time I saw this case.
That sound, ticking sound. Okay.
Okay, we can do.
Okay, customer complain steering noise, like ticking noise, ticking sound. Okay. Can you hold the connector if the sound will disappear? Then I will twist this. I will steer this steering wheel. Okay, no more sound, no more ticking sound. So probably the clock spring, the cause of ticking sound. So we have to replace the clock spring. Okay.
Because this is first time I saw this case.
That sound, ticking sound. Okay.
Okay, we can do.
Spring airbag sensor. Oh, okay. Next side.
Maybe comes today. What do you do? When the bag night, is it? Today. I can tell him until 3 p.m. Yes.
Nagkabit kami ng ano.
Buti hindi nagtataka. Nawalan tayo ng tools ah.
Hindi, babalik ko din naman pag nasita niya.
Hindi na alam yun. Hindi ata nag-inventory ng mga tools yun eh.
Tapos sabi niya Ram, Mr.
Raymond.
Ram kasi dahil RAB balagtas ang apelid mo eh. Kaya Ram. Kaya nga. Ay, wala yung pala. Sisikatin na lang ito. Papakain sana sila. Siya. Hindi akong pilit dito. Tapos, ito pa yata itong
Torch type. Okay guys, so we'll check after we replace the clock spring if the clicking sound is eliminated. Okay, so successfully done. After we replace the clock spring, no more noise, the clicking noise, the clicking sound during steering wheel is maneuvering. Okay, so thank you for watching and God bless everyone. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you in next video tutorial.